What's up guys? So today I'm craving for Cambodian food, some Khmer food. It's really hard to get Cambodian food, to find Cambodian restaurants. So if you crave for it, you're gonna have to make it. So I'm making Khmer Somlaw Machu Kroeung. Here are the ingredients. It's a lot of ingredients, but man, this is why it's so good. Look at that, wow. So here I have some morning glory. This is the top end and then I cut the bottom end right here. And then I have some toasted curry leaves. Thank you sis for getting this for me. I'll tag you in the comment section. And I got some sliced jalapenos, some celery, holy basil. This is also hard to find. I got this from LA in a Thai town. And some Asian eggplant, spare ribs. Last time you guys saw my tutorial, I made it with beef last time. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blanch some tripe. And of course, the star of the show is gonna be the lemongrass paste. All right, let's get started. If you guys want to learn how to make the meat version, Somlaw Machu Kroeung, which is, I have that on my tutorial as well. Head on to my YouTube, the link is right here. Go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, I have hella recipes. And to all my Khmer fans and supporter, happy late New Year's to you guys, okay? Thank you so much for always being so kind and supportive. In a pot of water, you're gonna blanch this. So once this comes to a boil, I'm just gonna blanch it for a minute, just to get rid of the gamey taste. This is tripe. You can use innards if you want. On high heat, add oil to pot. Once it's hot, go ahead and add in your kroeung, your lemongrass paste kroeung. Wow, look at that. The house is smelling so good, all that aromatic. Next, add in your prahok, your mudfish paste, prahok. Give that a stir. Mix combine well. Just adding your choice of protein. Today I'm using spare ribs. Give that a mix. I'm gonna give it a little sear. Next, add in some fish sauce. Add a mix. Some chicken soup base. Looks like that. Put a little bit of that in there. Now we're gonna make some shit good with some MSG. Some toasted curry leaf. I'm gonna crush that in there. Curry leaf. Stir. 3 to 5 minutes. Wow, look how beautiful and vibrant that color is. That turmeric. And now I'm gonna add some water. Starting off with a liter of water right here. I'm gonna add in my sugar. Now goes in the tamarind powder. I like mine very sour. Add in your veggies. I'm gonna start off with some celery. Next, the hard ends. Morning glory, water spinach, because it has a longer cook time, okay? So we wanna cook the end first and then we'll add the tips later. Next, add in your Asian eggplants. Wow, look at that. Give that a stir. The house smells so good right now, guys. Let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes, okay? 2 to 3 minutes gone by, I like to add my jalapenos now. Look at that thing of beauty. Somlaw Machu Kroeung. Now I'm gonna go in with some tripe. Wow, look at that. Next goes in my morning glory. Wow, look at that. Put that all in there. That a mix. Get in well. Wow, look at that. And lastly, your holy basil. Hot basil, holy basil. Let this cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and dinner is served. Wow. Wow, look at that. Somlaw Machu Kroeung Khmer dish. Look at that. This is for dinner. Last time I did Somlaw Machu Kroeung, but today I'm making it with pork ribs. Added some tripe. Got jalapeno, Asian eggplant. I mean, mine extra sour, extra savory. Look at that broth, guys. Wow. Wow, look at that, guys. Dinner, Somlaw Machu Kroeung. I made Somlaw Machu Kroeung. Got that tripe, Asian eggplant, curry leaves, holy basil, jalapeno, tripe. Look at that. Made it with spare ribs this time.